Hi, welcome to the Trading Experiment. Before I begin, I just want to say a huge thank you to YouTuber Richard Allen for giving me the encouragement to do my second video. Without him, I wouldn't be here right now doing this, I don't think. So Rich, thank you very much. Here it is. Hope you enjoy it. And for the other 10 people who may watch this video, you've not heard of Richard Allen, please go check him out. You won't regret it. Okay, let's begin. A couple of months ago, I did a video to see if we could trust YouTubers on the stocks that they recommend for us. So the experiment was to buy 3 stocks and see how they do. Okay, the first stock is LCA. I'm currently up 51.49%. Because I buy the stocks from the UK, I have to take into account the foreign exchange fees, which usually account for a few percent here or there. The next stock is Tesla. I'm up 68.85% on this one. And finally, Workhorse. I'm actually down 2.65% on this. There was one point I was up 37% as this went up to $30, around $30. And because there's been a delay on the USPS contract until next year, this has plummeted since. But I'm not really worried. The stocks I pick tend to be long-term holds anyway, so I'm not too worried until I start losing a lot of money, and that's when the worry kicks in, but hopefully not. So since my last video, I actually bought 3 more stocks which were trending on YouTube. Seemed to be really popular, so I bought into those just to show you how I'm doing on those as well. The 3 stocks were RKT. I'm up 6.79% on this one. IPOB, I'm up 46.58%. And the last one is SBE, which was ChargePoint. I am up over 122% on this. So what I've done was I've totaled the 6 stocks which I've bought on the recommendations of YouTubers. And on this experiment, I am up nearly 50% on these 6 stocks for 2 months, for investing 2 months into the stock market. So I've come to the conclusion that these YouTubers may actually know what they're talking about. So on this basis, what I've done is, what I'm going to do rather, is buy 3 more stocks that seems to be really popular at the moment and see how they do. And what I'll do in a few weeks' time, see how they perform as well and let you guys know. There's going to be no technical analysis. 1, because I'm not that good at it and it's not what the channel's about. And 2 is because I know you secretly skip those technical bits. What I do have to say though is that it's for experimental purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, as all YouTubers say. The only difference is that I don't have the clothing line to prove it, but apparently when they sleep, we eat. But please stay tuned, and I think you'll like what I got for you. Now, if you know what I'm talking about, you know that I watch too many of these YouTube videos. Let's go. So the first one is APXT Technologies, which are merging with AvePoint in the first half of next year. They're a cloud services provider and their stock currently is at around $14. YouTubers are recommended to get into this anywhere below 14, 13s, 12s even if you can, just to wait till it jumps up. But I'm going to get into it right now because it's going to be a long-term hold anyway for me. So let's jump right into this. I'm going to buy right now. So the current price is sitting around $14.27. I'm going to buy 100 shares of this and review order. Send buy order. So that's that one. So the second one is PSTH, that's Pershing Square. Now this is one of Bill Ackman's SPACs. I think it's the biggest SPAC ever, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's got over $4 billion in its kitty, waiting to acquire a company. Now that company hasn't been chosen as yet, but YouTubers are saying that this is going to be big when it is chosen. So I'm going to jump into this right now, and it's currently sitting around $25, and let me just buy this now. I'm going to get 100 shares of this one at around 25. It's going to execute at review order, and there it is. Oh, that was quick. And I've got it for $25.11. So the third and final stock for today is BFT. This is one of Bill Foley's SPACs, and it's planning to merge with PaySafe, which is in the same sector as PayPal and Square, and I think the merge date is somewhere in the first quarter of next year. Current stock price is around $14, so I'm going to jump into this right now, and I'm going to buy 100 shares of this one. And as you can see, it has executed at $13.89. Okay, so that's the 3 stocks, and hopefully very soon I will be updating you with these 3 to see how well they're doing, and also the 6 that I've already invested in as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you've liked anything about this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll appreciate you forever. Thank you, and see you in the next video.